Exhausted? What? Why did it do that? It was empty yesterday, and I didn't even change the batteries, and then... That is not funny. Let me watch it.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, get my golden toe. Yep, it's wicked.
Guys, I'm gonna bear crawl up here.
Don't bear crawl.
Guys.
Don't get wet.
No. Bear crawl.
Okay. Okay, stop it.